Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do flat twist. This is my second week of wearing this flat twist, and I put out a video earlier on showing how I created this flat twist, but someone wanted me to make a slower version of it, so that's what I'm doing now. So first of all, I'm taking off this flat twist that I did in the past, right? And after taking it off, this is how it looks like. It's really cute. But yeah, let's get started on doing this tutorial. So the first thing that I do is I make sure that my hair that I'm going to flat twist is well detangled. So take your time, detangle the hair thoroughly, because when you are doing the flat twist, you don't want it to snag at all. So once you've done that, the positioning of your hand is very important. Now you can position your hand this way, or you can position your hair and a different way. This way is more convenient for me. So what I'm doing here is I'm just making sure I can show you guys is I'm splitting the hair into two parts. So I have this one part and then I have this second part right over here. So when you're flat twisting, you're working with two parts all on its own, right? And then you have to see how you're going to position your hand. So let me show you again how we're doing it. So you're going to take the two parts of hair like this, and you're going to be holding it at the base area. Don't hold it at the top. If you hold it at the top, it'll be too loose. Now you're going to take one finger and you're just going to pull through. So you're always wrapping one strand of hair onto the next. So you can see how I'm picking the hair and I'm wrapping. Someone asked me that which hand do I pick with? It really depends on how my flat twist is flowing, but you can see how I'm using my top hand to kind of support the strands. So we're actually working with two strands and we're just looping it together. So you can see how I'm taking this. So I'm going to show you a clear view. I'm just taking this one right here and I'm just wrapping it. So it's almost as if you are rolling the hair together on itself. So you're just wrapping it and pulling it through. So you pull that through, you take some hair, and as you are pinching it like that, you are gathering the second part, kind of creating the demarcation. So you have these two strands. You can see I'm still working with two strands, and I'm taking this finger, I'm using to pick the strand at the bottom, pull it through to the top. So you're using that hand on top, you're using it to pick the hair at the bottom, and then you're using the hand at the bottom to pull the hair and wrap it around. I hope you understand this. I'm just doing this really slowly so that you can get it. So we have two strands of hair. I pick up the hair on top. The end on top, I use it to create like a demarcation and pick up the hair at the bottom. So right here is where I'm picking up the hair at the bottom. You can see I take the hair on top and I wrap it. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to do a simple two-strand twist. And as you can see, I'm just two-strand twisting my hair. And you just want to continue twisting it to the very end. So another issue that some people have is their hair unraveling. That is why I said you want to hold the hair at the base. If you hold the hair at the top, it might unravel quicker, but you hold the hair at the base. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take my brush or something just to brush the hair and make it look neat. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make your hair stay neat longer. So keep watching. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to make your hairstyles like this last a long way. Thanks for watching. Bye.